So in analogy with this idea of slash users, going to index, let's take a look at our application. Actually, let's close this down and go to slash microposts. And here's the micropost model, or just the URL we're interacting with. You can look at the URLs, slash microposts, new micropost is slash micropost slash new. Make first micropost, and we can put in a user and say that's user 1, create the micropost, go back to the index page. Yep, why isn't that working? Ah, that took longer than I expected. And we have the same set of URLs. We can edit it, maybe tone it down a little bit here. But you can see that it's basically the same pattern that we had with the users resource.